3. Good luck on your second set of your winner take all. Anytime now. Race number 3, Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Mommy look. Jenny Scott, sharpshooter, is on the outside. Is Fernandez entry. Jenny Scott followed now by sharpshooter in second. Fernandez entry racing in third, fourth. Mommy look. Easter Beauty is racing in fifth. Down in sixth, Honorable Joe. And on the outside, Lebron taking the seventh position. Eighth position, Sweet Music. And rounding the pattern, Jenny Scott, sharpshooter pokes his nose from the outside to grab the lead. It's now sharpshooter this time by Hapolan, followed by Jenny Scott in second. And racing in third, Fernandez entry, Lebron, Easter Beauty. As they race the final corner, sharpshooter this time by about 3 lengths. Jenny Scott chooses to run from the outside, and Fernandez entry and moved by the release Lebron, entering the finish line. It's the sharpshooter now burning the tracks and finish the game. Second, Lebron close with number 4, Emergency Express Talisman. Jenny Scott